In today's fast-paced industrial environment, waiting days for custom safety signage or compliance labels isn't just an inconvenience, it's a bottleneck that costs you time and money. Meet the MAX CPM, an all-in-one label printing and cutting system that lets you create your own signs and labels in-house whenever you need them. This machine combines high-resolution thermal transfer printing with an integrated plotter cutter. That sharpness means crisp, small fonts, clean logos, and detailed graphics every time. It supports full CMYK process color for photos and logos, as well as pure spot color printing for simpler designs. The built-in cutter is where it really shines. It can free-cut any shape, letters, borders, contours, all without dyes or templates, at speeds up to 120 millimeters per second. Applications are wide-ranging. OSHA-compliant safety signs, GHS chemical hazard labels, pipe markers, asset and equipment ID tags, wire and cable marking, and even premium product labels like foiled perfume stickers and more. But the real power behind this machine is its software, BPOP PC-EX.
This software comes packed with a library of over 1,400 industrial symbols and templates, safety icons, hazard warnings, pipe markings, ready to use in seconds without designing from scratch. It also supports sequential serialization, so if you need to print hundreds of labels with consecutive numbers, barcodes, or QR codes, the software automates that entire process. And one of its strongest features is CSV database integration. If you have a spreadsheet with asset names or ID numbers, BPOP reads the file and prints every label automatically. No manual entry required. In short, BPOP PC-EX isn't just basic design software. It's a smart engine that saves you hours of manual work and lets you print and cut with professional accuracy every time. Print, cut, comply on your schedule.
To know more about labeling and packaging solutions, subscribe to our channel or visit our website at www.labelgraph.com.